Here, one more time I am repeating. F bar is a vector point function and curl F bar equal to 0. Then automatically there exists one function. Whenever curl F bar equal to 0, there exists automatically one function pi. How it will be exist? Adi ela exist avutadante F bar equal to grade pi. F bar equal to grade pi అయ్యేటట్టుగా ఒక ఫంక్షన్ pi అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. So now based on this question, the question is prove that y plus z into I, next z plus x into j, x plus y into k is a irrotational find scalar potential. Find scalar potential. Scalar potential means pi function. Scalar potential ante edo anukoddu pi function. Find scalar potential, or sometimes in the question is say conservative field. Conservative field. So the question has a two parts. First one is a prove that it is a irrotational. Irrotational means curl. So now solution, let f bar equal to y plus z into I, z plus x into j, next x plus y into k. What is the f1? f1 equal to y plus z, f2 is equal to z plus x, f3 is equal to x plus y. So now curl f bar, curl f bar equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. Okay, so now in the next page we substitute its values. So what is this one? Curl f bar equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. What is the f1? Y plus z, y plus z, f2 z plus x, z plus x, f3 x plus y. So now its value I into, I already said how to calculate. You close this row column, sorry, you close this row. So dou by dou y of what is the dou by dou y of this one? Partially with respect to y, x differentiation 0, y differentiation 1. Next minus dou by dou z of partially with respect to z, z differentiation 1, x constant, its differentiation 0. Next minus j into, close this column row, dou by dou x of x differentiation 1, y constant, its value 0, minus dou by dou z of y constant, its value 0, z differentiation 1. Okay, next plus k into, close this column row. So what will get? Dou by dou x of z differentiation 0, x differentiation 1. Next dou by dou y of minus dou by dou of y differentiation 1 partially with respect to y, z differentiation constant is 0. partially with respect to y differentiation 1, z is a constant 0, so 1. మళ్ళీ వినండి, డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ అంటే ఎంత, z డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 0 కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి x డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 1. డో బై డో y ఆఫ్ y differentiation 1, z is a constant 0. So now what its value is equal to I into 0, j into 0, k into 0. So what you got, curl f bar equal to 0, which implies f bar is a irrotational. So in the next, now we will see when it is irrotational, there exists a scalar point function. Just now we proved this curl f bar equal to 0. Curl f bar equal to 0 means f bar is a irrotational. F bar is a irrotational. When it is irrotational, just now I said note point. There exists scalar point function phi. How it will be exist scalar point function phi means f bar is equal to grade pi. How it will be exist means f bar equal to grade pi. So now what is grade pi? Grade pi is nothing but del pi. Grade pi and del pi. So f bar is equal to del pi. Del pi means what is the formula starting? I into dou pi by dou x, j into dou pi by dou y, next k into dou pi by dou z. Okay. So now what is a f bar? F bar equal to y plus z into y, next z plus x into j, next plus x plus y into x plus y into k. This is the left hand side. F bar is equal to what is there? I into dou pi by dou x, j into dou pi by dou y, k into dou pi by dou z. Okay. So now compare ijk components. Compare ijk components. So when you compare ijk components, what is the dou pi by dou x value? Dou pi by dou x equal to y plus z. Dou pi by dou y is equal to what is that? Z plus x. Next dou pi by dou z. What is the dou pi by dou z? X plus y. So remember this value, dou pi by dou x is a y plus z. Dou pi by dou y, z plus x. Dou pi by dou z, x plus y. Okay. So now you got these three values. We need to find pi function. Mute petkondi. Okay. Question what is said? First one, prove that curl f bar equal to 0. Irrotational. We proved irrotational. Next what is said? Find scalar point function phi. Scalar potential. Question scalar potential or scalar point function phi find out. So for this you got dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y, dou pi by dou z. There is one formula is there. What is that means? We know that we learned this in the first semester. Meeru marchipona no problem. Chuskondi. d pi is equal to dou pi by dou x into dx, dou pi by dou y into dy, next dou pi by dou z into dz. This is a formula total. It is called as a total differentiation formula. D pi is equal to dou pi by dou x into dx, dou pi by dou y into dy, dou pi by dou z into dz. So now d pi is equal to what is dou pi by dou x? Y plus z. What is dou pi by dou x? Y plus z into dx, dou pi by dou y. What is dou pi by dou y? Z plus x. Z plus x into dy. Dou pi by dou z. What is dou pi by dou z? X plus y. Here, x plus y. X plus y into dz. Integrating, taking integration on both sides. So what will get? Integral d pi is equal to integral y plus z into dx, next z plus x into dy, next x plus y into dz. So separate integral y plus z into dx, integral z plus x into dy, integral x plus y into d. So integral 1 d pi dz. 1 d pi, 1 d pi is a 1 d pi is a pi. With respect to x, y plus z constant. For example, 2 constant. What is 2 integration? 2x. 3 constant. What is 3 integration? 3x. Y plus z is a constant. What is it integration? Y plus z into x. Next, with respect to y, z plus x constant. So for example, 2 with respect to y, 2y, 2 is a constant. So z plus x is a constant. Its integration z plus x into y. Next, with respect to z, x plus y constant. So x plus y into z plus c. So this is a required pi. So ఈ pi function ఎప్పుడు find out చేయాలంటే when it is a irrotational and question is said find scalar potential, find conservative field అన్నప్పుడు pi function find చేయాలి. Prove that it is a irrotational means you stop here. Prove that it is irrotational means you stop here. You prove that it is a irrotational, find a scalar point function అన్నప్పుడు f bar equal to grade pen extra తీసుకొని you have to do this I dou pi by dou x to compare this only one formula. Grade pi ఇది రాసిన తర్వాత only one formula. What is that formula means? d pi equal to this one. ఈ formula substitute చేసి you have to do integration. That's how you will get the required answer. Okay, thank you.